We are still talking about the perfect suhoor for your fast. If you have not watched parts 1 and 2, please do so. If you love breads for suhoor, go for whole grain options as these provide more fiber. For example, wholemeal toast or chapatis. Avoid combining bread with salty foods like hard cheeses or preserved meats. You could try unsalted peanut or almond butters, soft cheese, or bananas on that wholemeal bread. And since bread is quite dry, make sure you drink plenty of water or other fluids alongside. Or you could have fluid-rich foods such as vegetable soup, which is known to be a traditional food at suhoor in some Arabian and Southeast Asian countries. Sometimes these soups are made of lentils, chickpeas, and other vegetable varieties. In my part of the world, in northern Nigeria, some of us rehydrate and gain energy by taking a meal known as fura donono. Now, this is a millet ball meal with curded cow milk. Still for suhoor, make your scrambled eggs on wholemeal toast instead and start your fasting day the right way. I'm Dr. Hadiza, your friendly, holistic, reconstructive surgeon. Watch more on my fasting playlist and subscribe, like, and share the medical information channel.